Okay guys, let's have a look at the Maxima line of mobile column lifts. You can see all of the safety locks in the back of the tower assembly right there. Let's have a look at the control panel here. You have a pallet jack style assembly that you use to roll it around with. There's your reservoir in there, you see that. You've also got places to lift them and move them with a forklift. A lot easier to do than trying to roll them around if you got a forklift handy. Let's have a look at the lifting arms here. You'll notice several different locking positions there for different diameter wheels. Let's look up underneath it. Obviously, I have full faith in these units and where I'm standing right now. These are cable units. The ones that I'm under right now are not operated wirelessly. Very, very nice set of mobile column lifts. Working on big trucks, 8,500 pound capacity for each set, or each single tower, excuse me. Soon you'll be able to purchase these at our website, redlinestands.com.